उसका तो चीट कोड ये है कि जस्ट कीप योर क्लाइंट इन लूप. अब बनेंगे पेमेंट एंड दीज आर स्टिल द सेकेंडरी थिंग. Respect is something should always be there.
Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast, Know Your Photographer. This podcast we have started keeping in mind clients who are looking for photographers, people who are looking to be a photographer, and photographers who are working behind the scenes and we might not know about their stories. तो आज हमारे साथ बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं प्रियांशु खर्ग. He has worked in the freelancing space since a little while now and he has done food, he has done interiors, he has done short films and everything including advertisements too. So Priyanshu, कैसा लग रहा है आपको पॉडकास्ट में आके?
It's a relatively very new experience for me. मतलब I've always been behind the camera, तो it's my first time and I feel very good. मतलब सही है. Something new for me is always a good thing. मतलब try करने वाली बात तो I always like that. तो
एक्चुअली ये पॉडकास्ट हमने यही सोच के स्टार्ट किया था कि जो फोटोग्राफर्स होते हैं हमेशा बिहाइंड द सीन्स रहते हैं, तो यू नो दे आर द हीरोज़ बिहाइंड द सीन्स, बट उनको वो रिकग्निशन, वो जस्टिस नहीं उस तरह से मिल पाता है जो उन्हें मिलना चाहिए. सो येस, दिस इज़ फॉर द बिहाइंड द सीन्स हीरोज़ लाइक यू. सो टेल अस अबाउट योर जर्नी, कैसे आपका ये पैशन स्पार्क हुआ इन फोटोग्राफी?
okay. It all started with कि I was doing my bachelor's. तो at the time पढ़ाई में ज़्यादा सा I was not interested, although I was good at academics, but वैसे मन नहीं था. तो मेरे को वैसे ही फ़ोन स्क्रॉल करते हुए जस्ट आई फाउंड अ एडवर्टीजमेंट ऑफ कोर्स की लाइक फॉर द फोटोग्राफी एंड द वीडियोग्राफी. तो आई एनरोल्ड इन दैट. वहाँ से इट स्टार्टेड एंड फिर एक एक करते करते कोर्स मैंने कुछ और डिजिटली आई डिड दिस दैट. तो करते करते इट ऑल जस्ट
वन थिंग लेड टू अनदर.
हाँ, वन थिंग लेड टू अनदर, राइट. एंड दिस इज हाउ इट स्टार्टेड. एंड दिस इज नो पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट कि उस टाइम पे या उस इंस्टेंस पे आई फेल्ट कि आई शुड डू दिस और नॉट. बस वो धीरे धीरे करके होने वाली बात थी कि हो.
नाइस. तो सिंस यू टॉक्ड अबाउट अ कोर्स यू एनरोल्ड इन, तो क्या आप सजेस्ट करेंगे जो कोई बच्चा फोटोग्राफर बनना चाहता है उसके लिए कौन से कोर्सेज बेनिफिशियल हो सकते हैं, कोई एस्पायरिंग फोटोग्राफर हो?
फॉर दिस आई विल से कि यूट्यूब इज़ द बेस्ट थिंग फर्स्ट. ठीक है, यूट्यूब पे यू विल फाइंड आई विल से एवरीथिंग to start and to pursue ki yes, so that you can actually know ki is this your passion or not. Because there are people who just I'll say what about people, even me also, we take admission in any of the other courses. यहाँ कर लिया या उसमें कर लिया, वो भी कर लेंगे. एक दिन 4 दिन जाने के बाद भी फेल्ट कि ये क्लास अपने लिए नहीं है. तो instead of enrolling someplace different, try YouTube, see if it's your passion or not. After that you can go, once you start doing this, then you'll actually find ways by yourself only.
तो could you describe a shoot जहाँ पे सब कुछ एकदम perfectly aligned था? One of your shoots.
Genuinely ऐसा कोई शूट नहीं होता. ठीक है, हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ थोड़ा थोड़ा होता ही है कि and either it could be very good technically, you feel like कि yes this is the best, इससे अच्छा कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
Technically as in
lighting or the composition and everything, the output also, you feel कि like this is best, but on the same time your client will be कि नहीं, I want changes in this.
Okay.
And it's vice versa also कि you are not happy with the frame or the light or what, but your client says कि नहीं, this is the mood we are going with and we wanted this. So exactly.
So how do you adjust with clients' expectation?
उसका तो cheat code ये है कि just keep your client in loop. And we all have heard the client is God वाली बात, तो वो implement करती है.
Customer is king.
Customer is king. हाँ. So just ask whatever they say, that is good. Put your inputs in that. Suggest them changes की this is good, this is what we can do, these are the changes we can implement. If they agrees then it's fine, if not then so because basically they are the one who have to post this. It's your art too, so there should be the touch. And
so this is about how you adjust with clients. So but आपका ideal client क्या है? What do photographers expect clients to be like? उनका ideal client कि हाँ ये होना चाहिए.
स्पेस मिले उनको, फोटोग्राफर्स को, लाइक व्हाट दे वांट टू डू इज समथिंग दे शुड हैव दैट स्पेस कि आप कर लो. आपको जो जैसा फ्रेम या whatever the thing that story for that is, there should be that space कि आप करो. We'll see the result. If there is something then we want to change, then we can adjust or something. But ideal client is वो. And second, payments.
ओके ओके, तो पेमेंट टाइमली होना चाहिए.
हाँ, टाइमली होना चाहिए.
Right.
एंड ओवरऑल इन दिस होल थिंग आई विल से कि पेमेंट एंड दीज आर स्टिल द सेकेंडरी थिंग. रिस्पेक्ट इज समथिंग शुड ऑलवेज बी देयर.
Absolutely. So, which project was the turning point of your life?
ओके.
या फिर अगर ऐसा आपको लगता है कि नहीं हुआ है तो कौन सा ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट है which you think would be the ideally the turning point of your life?
ठीक है. आई थिंक कि एवरी फोटोग्राफर विल गेट दिस पार्ट कि टर्निंग पॉइंट शायद सबसे ज़्यादा आई थिंक फैमिली होती है. ठीक है. वंस द फैमिली इज़ विद यू, योर फ्रेंड्स आर विद यू, तो मतलब थिंग्स आर ऑलवेज इन द राइट डायरेक्शन. आई विल से तो माई शॉर्ट फिल्म वॉज समथिंग दैट आई विल से फॉर दिस की was my turning point. Although my family was with me, is very supportive for me, but at that time it was I've seen their faces कि they said कि ठीक है कुछ कर रहा है, दिख रहा है, हमें दिख रहा है कि कुछ कर रहा है. You earn, you don't earn is a different thing, but that social symbol for that you're doing something should be there.
Absolutely.
फैमिली को सबसे ज़्यादा आई थिंक
बिल्कुल,
वो
बिल्कुल.
सोसाइटी के अलावा कुछ ऑप्शंस अल्टरनेट दिखते नहीं.
तो आई थिंक ये फोटोग्राफी को लेके या किसी भी आर्टिस्टिक प्रोफेशन को लेके ये चीज़ बहुत होती है. जैसे मूवीज़ में दिखाया है, 3 Idiots में ये चीज़ दिखाई थी. फरहान वांटेड टू डू फोटोग्राफी एंड उसमें एक सीन था अब्बा नहीं मानेंगे.
अब्बा नहीं मानेंगे.
तो आई थिंक यू गॉट थ्रू दैट स्ट्रगल एंड द टर्निंग पॉइंट वाज योर शॉर्ट फिल्म.
Yes.
I think you told me about it, Chhat. So guys, we will link that short film. Do have a look at it and let us know what a masterpiece it is. Tell us about the misconceptions people have regarding freelancing photographers या फिर just photographers
Okay.
in general.
In general, I'll say for the freelancers, it is something कि you will find projects, you will not find projects. ऐसा एक हमेशा रहता ही है. Once you are doing in the job, तो आपकी जैसी भी जॉब जो भी चल रही है, like there is always a part people say कि you will not get projects, but and I'm not sure whether it's a misconception or not, but reality is कि that thing is always there, but you always get the projects.
तो एक stability को लेके
Stability, you will
थोड़ा रहता है.
never be stable. I'll say you will never get stable. If someone says कि yeah you will get stable in a freelancing work, you will not.
Okay.
हाँ, तो that
So it is a misconception that people perceive कि हाँ stability तो होती है, freelancers बहुत कमाते हैं.
बहुत कमाते हैं is again I'll say is not a misconception, sorry. तो ठीक है, होता है. There's a difference. Freelancers की income is I'll say is always on the higher end.
Okay.
But the part is कि that is not consistent.
Okay.
So
Got
that
it.
is something we all have to go through.
Let us know about कोई भी mistake जो आपने commit करी हो while in your photography career and an advice, a piece of advice to aspiring photographers who want to enter the freelancing space.
Okay. सबसे ज़्यादा होता है हाँ, मतलब although वैसा ब्लंडर हुआ नहीं कभी, बच गया. I'll say कि डाटा बैकअप ना होना and you're shooting the next project and your card is not there, तो वो part I feel कि is a biggest blunder.
Data loss basically.
Data loss basically. You're shooting for the next project and card आपने format कर दिया without taking the backup. मेरे साथ 1-2 बार हुआ ऐसा, but fortunately I found कि I took the backup. मेरे याद नहीं था तो मतलब हाँ ऐसा.
तो piece of advice यही है कि
हाँ मतलब backups are something I'll say कि are the most important thing. One of the most important thing.
Right.
Like lighting, composition and everything is there, but there is no use of it if you cannot basically ना if you don't have that data finally to show or that, तो फिर उसका कोई फायदा नहीं. मतलब I go with this.
जब भी क्लाइंट एक फोटोग्राफर ढूंढ रहा होता है बुक करने के लिए, तो व्हाट आर द क्वेश्चंस जो उन्हें पूछने चाहिए, उन्हें पता होने चाहिए उन चीज़ों के आंसर्स लेटर ऑन, जब तक वो बुक कर रहे हैं फोटोग्राफर. वो जो एक जर्नी स्टार्ट होने से पहले कुछ जैसे क्राइटेरिया होते हैं फोटोग्राफी के या जो भी चीज़ें होती हैं, वो एक क्लाइंट को इन्फॉर्मेशन वो होनी चाहिए. तो वो क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन हो सकती है?
Okay. Client is always mostly worried about the commercials. ठीक है, reality is this only कि they just want कि whatever they can get in the lowest commercial possible. But they should look for इसकी whoever they are hiring उसके exactly I'll say कि passion कितना है to do that project. ठीक है, तो that is something very much important.
Right.
Second, what's the nature of the person you're working with or the artist you're working with, he might have a very good skill, very very good skill, but if the person is not respectable, then I'll suggest ki you should not go with
Right.
that thing. So that is something I'll say ki that respect ho ya that nature is, because you'll find n number of people who are skillful, but that nature should be something I say ki should be there, because
Right.
there is no अपनी इंडियन टर्मिनोलॉजी में अगर बात करें तो पैसा भी हम दें और फिर हम ही सुने तो वो क्या वो
राइट तो ये चीज़ें तो एक आइडियल क्लाइंट वाली हो गई बट अगेन गेटिंग बैक टू द क्वेश्चन कि व्हाट क्वेश्चंस द क्लाइंट शुड आस्क टू द फोटोग्राफर कि उन्हें पहले से वो चीज़ें क्लियर हो जाए
they should definitely look at the folio of the person, like what they have done, so that they can have some sense ki yeah whether he will be able to do this or not. And if this, I'll say at least there are people who don't have their folio to show, but they have done projects but they don't have the folio to show. Then if they have client have any recommendation from any their friend, family or someone, then the trust is also enough to work on that project.
राइट तो पोर्टफोलियो इज अ मस्ट
Folio is something that shows ki how much the person is eager to do this thing. मतलब if the person is technically sound
राइट
to do that project, and
Okay.
that's the deliverable dates. Like just look at the history whether the person has delivered on the right time or not. तो client के लिए
Right.
दोनों चीज़ें यही ज़रूरी होनी चाहिए.
Of course. Since we talked about turning point and your, you know, the shoot which was your turning point, tell us something about your short film, जो आपने mention करी, छत.
Okay. So it is actually a turning point for me too. Like socially it was for my family in that way. But मेरे को भी देख के ऐसे लगता है कि मतलब I did that. मतलब I still don't agree with that. But वो कुछ ऐसा है. तो it was we participated in a 50-hour film challenge. तो we did that there.
तो 15 hours तक.
50.
Okay, 50 hours.
So this was a theme they will give, and like कि in 50 hours you have to think about the theme. उसके roundabout you think a story, you direct a film, आपने produce करी, you edit that, you put the sound effects and everything, you post it, मतलब you give it back to the team. So this was the challenge. IFCP is something Indian Film Festival.
Yeah.
हाँ, that is something again there. तो same is with this IIT Delhi.
Okay.
तो they did this. तो मेरी फिल्म मैंने मतलब वहाँ पे करी जो बनाई है. तो this
आपने अकेले शूट करी थी?
नहीं
You had a team with you?
हाँ, I had my friends.
Okay.
तो हम सबने मिलके इसको करा. तो I'll say कि सभी का equally contribution है. And this is more of a movie like you will relate. This is something very relatable. If you're in the metropolitan cities, then this is something will definitely strike you. This is a film roundabout on the chat, on the rooftop that we people have. What is the perspective of the chat? That is something we have shown in that.
Sounds amazing. You know, and you know after जो aftermath होती है इन ये turning points की, it makes you realize a lot of things about the kind of work you want to do.
हाँ, yes, definitely. Even मतलब I feel like कि after that ना, I'm now more very much into this कि I should make films on the perspective basis only. The people that we know are around us, but we never have seen their perspective. So I felt that, and soon I'll be producing few more short films around this.
So, you know, what would be your dream shoot or dream project to work on?
I'll say I'm more into nature and wildlife.
Okay.
So I think कि something documenting the nature or wildlife will be something my dream project. Go to dream project.
And a project that you have currently not worked much on, but you still want to tap on that aspect of photography, that area of work.
Automobiles is something I would love to try.
Okay.
I think like it's something quite fun or interesting that I should go on with the next.
So automobiles you've not tapped much into, but
No, I haven't tapped much. But I feel ki like there is some sense or what I can say ki speed, thrill. The automobiles always come with this thing, na.
True.
So I think that's why I'm relating it with this. Ki
right.
ऑटोमोबाइल्स कर लेनी चाहिए, ट्राई कर लेना चाहिए, वो वाली बात है.
Okay. And name a photography space, a genre of photography, जो बहुत आपको लगता है कि मुश्किल है. You know, you have lot of respect for people who are doing that sort of photography.
I'll go with weddings.
Right.
Weddings.
Wedding photographers
हाँ,
बहुत पसीना.
हाँ,
Yeah.
वेडिंग्स वालों का मतलब रहता ही है. मतलब if you have that dedication, that passion to do that,
Right.
then is the only thing that you can do. Like
Right.
I'm not sure whether I can do that or not.
Weddings.
Weddings. हाँ.
Okay. तो मतलब I think in weddings also there are long hours of
हाँ, मतलब
comparatively longer than the general shoots
general
also.
and the part is कि they are quite regular when एक अपने बोलते हैं हम सब की सीजन है, तो वो सीजन है वाली बात है. वो सीजन है तो आई डोंट थिंक कि फोटोग्राफर्स आर फ्री फॉर लाइक मोर देन 4 or 5 days in a month. बाकी 25 दिन तो उनके शूट चलते ही चलते हैं.
And I think weddings में the clients have very high expectations because wedding is a very big day for people.
Yes.
So
Wedding is a very big day, very
it's very
social
challenging.
day, very challenging. So they have expectations, and that expectations are something that photographers and the cinematographers have to meet. And the difficult part of doing this is कि client is not the only client they have to handle.
Exactly.
There are 500 people more that they have to handle,
True.
and so that is quite challenging, I'll say, for them.
Rightly said. Coming towards the end now, we'll talk about Bufo, this company which is born for photographers and for people who are looking for photographers. So, what do you have to say for Bufo?
Freelancers are looking for the projects, and someone is there who is helping us with this, and will be free of cost. So
Right.
that's a big deal. That's a big deal, I'll say. This initiative is very nice, and I hope कि this sustains for मतलब.
Bilkul. Thank you so much for your good wishes. We have this one aspect which we talked about, which is the raw footage. So Bufo does keep the raw footage of the photographer, but it doesn't deliver it to the client because वो एक photographer की duty है to edit that raw footage. But we keep it for loss prevention. Because बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हार्ड ड्राइव डैमेज हो गई एंड जैसा कि आपने कहा कि आप खुद एक बार बच गए थे कि आपका डेटा पूरा का पूरा लॉस्ट हो जाता, बट यू वर फॉर्चुनेट बिकॉज यू हैड अ बैकअप ऑफ दैट. सो is it a good idea for us to?
Yeah, that's a very good idea, I'll say. That's a very great idea actually. Like keeping up the backups, and these backups are something like you never understand their value unless and until things are there on you. When there is a need of the data and you cannot deliver it, so I'll say and then the backups are something quite useful.
Right.
And Bufo is doing it very I'll say कि it's a very good thing, keeping that data, because there are chances कि आपका backup होने के बाद भी मतलब इधर मतलब if there is someone, वैसे तो everyone keeps the backup and their working drive अलग-अलग, but there are chances कि आपका the photographer just lost the data. But the Bufo was there in the as a middleman to connect you to the projects. So I'll say it is kind of a responsibility of a Bufo to give to deliver the project to the client, and for that, if they are taking this kind of initiative, this is a very nice thing.
Thank you. I really appreciate your word on that. A little feedback on something which photographers expect but generally उन्हें नहीं मिलता है, so that we could as an ecosystem of photographers and clients we could work on that, and as middlemen too.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know whether it's a right answer for this or not, but photographers expect commercials जो नहीं मिलते.
Commercials as in
like this is the value that they should get for this shoot or this shoot.
So
commercially
including payments and the credit on social media etc.
हाँ, credit तो I'm sure कि credit तो ज़रूर हर बार is something people leave behind. नहीं, credit तो नहीं deliver होता. But financials are also something there's always an expectation of the photographer कि थोड़ा और मिल जाए, थोड़ा और. You should look for more is towards the passion, and more towards if you're happy to do that. Commercials are something like you'll get now, if not today then tomorrow you'll get something.
Right.
But
so there should be the right sort of payment for your work and obviously the credits.
Credits, I think कि credits are like more important over the financial things. Like if you can get something ki more of a credit wala part rather than a commercial, then you should go for it. Again, depends on the project and depends on ki आप किस क्लाइंट के साथ काम कर रहे
Right,
हो. So I work with few brands, although I can't name them.
No,
ठीक
no,
है?
that's fine.
हाँ, I'll tell you behind the camera. So I work with those kind of brands. So working with those kind of brands, you get that experience.
True.
The commercials, even if commercials are not that good, still you get that experience that actually na you get that vision kind of a thing ki this is what it is there, and people or the management sitting at those level na they actually show you ki what they want, so there is always a clear vision for in their mind too, and your vision is also something that clears.
Right. So overall clarity.
Overall the clarity is there. हाँ तो
Right.
आई थिंक थोड़ा सा क्रेडिट पे काम कर लेना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल. I think that really means a lot for an artist. किसी भी आर्टिस्ट ने कोई काम किया है, it's their work, their authenticity and their hard work since a lot of years actually. जो सिर्फ एक शूट में दिखता है, that's not the only thing.
हाँ, that is not. I learned this from my friend.
Right.
So he's a graphic designer. So we were discussing something someday. So at that time, again we were talking on the same topic, commercials and this. So we said ki like people pay for that job that he made a design, and it was a 5-hour job for someone, but he made it in 2 hours. So they say he will pay you according to the 2 hours only.
Okay.
But they never see like if he has the 5 years, 10 years of experience behind that he made it in
Right.
this amount of time ना. तो वो पीछे वाला जो एक पार्ट है कि कब से क्या स्ट्रगल चल रहा है, क्या हुआ क्या नहीं, दैट इज समथिंग नो वन कंसिडर्स. इवन आई विल से एज अ इफ इट कम्स टू द शूट, people what they look for is ki this is a 5-hour shoot and we are paying you for this.
Right.
But that is never a 5-hour shoot.
True.
There's
true.
always a 2 hour of travel each side. ठीक है, and then there is a I'll say depending on the project there are hours that we need to spend on editing.
Editing, of course.
And then again retouching it,
So
and then again changes.
exactly, retouching takes a lot of attention to detail.
Yes.
एडिट करते करते मैंने सुना है बहुत फोटोग्राफर्स की रातें निकल जाती हैं एडिट करते हुए, रीटच करते हुए, and definitely it's a very challenging job, expectations of clients and attention to detail in every picture, every little part of the video. So we are all here to solve all of these problems of photographers and of clients as well.
Actually these are the part of the job.
True,
and
true.
One should accept this ki this is something you will have to bear if you are into this field. Then this is something you will have to bear, but in return you will get that pleasure of doing this all.
True.
If this is something you are into.
Actually, the last question I will ask you is ki how does it feel after a very nice photo shoot, after editing and delivering the output to the customer? उनका reaction देख के आपको कैसा लगता है?
Reaction is the only thing, at least for me, I'll say. That is one of the most important thing I'll see on the client's face.
Right.
Like if they're happy, they're satisfied, then I think 80% of the payment is done.
Okay.
ठीक है, rest 20 is the commercial. वो आ रहे हैं, कब आ रहे हैं, कैसे आ रहे हैं, लेट आ रहे हैं, कम ज़्यादा is fine. But that satisfaction कि we trusted on this person for this and it has been delivered is
Right.
most important, especially when it comes to the weddings or the events. तो वहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा ये होता है कि they were relying on us for that memory, and that if I think we should be proud on this ki capturing that memory and is something is rare. Like you are involved even if you don't know the person, but you are in the function or the event and you are being part of their family and having chance to witness witness that thing is a big deal and should work वैसे ही थोड़ा.
Chaliye, thank you so much for your time. We hope that you had a good time listening to this podcast. I hope this was insightful to everybody who wants to be a photographer and clients who want to get a photographer booked. Thank you so much for all your time, and
It was my pleasure to do that.
thank you so much. Thank you for tuning in with us. We hope that you enjoyed listening to our conversation, and we hope that this was insightful to people who want to become a photographer, to people who are already working in the photography space, and clients who are looking for bookings of photographers. We will keep making podcasts with special guests, and hit the bell icon for updated content. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye-bye.